So today is April 19th, 2008, and today marks the second annual Dick's Sporting Goods Keene Footwear Earth Day Sustainability event. And this event started 2 years ago as we wanted to get together with our partners in business and partner on something other than doing business. So this year we're getting together at an area called the Peace Garden on the Allegheny River in Pittsburgh, and today we'll be planting sunflower seeds along the trail. We'll be getting rid of all the invasive species on a very large island area between the fork in the trails. We'll be planting over 350 native species, and we'll also be adding in about 20 or so very large trees that were donated to us by the Tree Vitalize program, which is a program out of Pennsylvania, which is a cooperation with the city of Pittsburgh and the governor and Allegheny County. So today we'll be changing this entire area from an overgrown brush area into a very beautiful, lush garden that we'll be able to come back to next year and continue the project.
My name's Eric Haberman. I'm with Keene Footwear. I'm the local rep. Many of you know Aaron at Dick's, the casual and sandal buyer. I just want to first welcome you and thank you all for coming to the second annual Keene Dick's Earth Day Cleanup Day. So thank you all for coming. Last year we had a great event, and I see a lot of familiar faces, and we had roughly 65 people or so last year, and I'm happy to say that this year we've got over 200 people here today. So thank you very much. As all of you know, the money that we raised from this event, you all got great shoes out of it, t-shirts and water bottles, and that money that we raised in conjunction with a matching donation from Keene, those funds go towards funding an event again next year. And last year's funds were the funds that funded this year. So next year's event looks to be a bigger and better event. So thank you all for your donations, and we'll see you back here next year or wherever the location is.
Let's get going. We can do it. Let's first start
That's okay. Come on through. Yeah. Enjoy the ride. Some serious activity going on this trail today.
Today's event has been awesome. It's been all about trying to group together over 200 people to help clean up Pittsburgh's trails, in addition to helping save the environment as well. Another great thing about today has been definitely seeing all of the little kids' faces that we have here. We actually have a scout group here that's been helping to clean up the trail as well as help their parents and learn a little bit more about Pittsburgh.
Hey, so we're out here because we're hoping to make a difference, and you know, Keene is all about giving back and being generous and trying to make a difference in communities. And it's fun to be out here. It's fun to be engaged with concerned, interested people, both employees of Keene and employees of Dick's Sporting Goods, but more importantly, just the community that turned out to help. I think we had 250 people today. Helping restore a riverfront park, and it's fantastic. I mean, this is the best part of our job is, you know, we're concerned with people, our planet, and profitability, and all trying to sustain all three of those pieces of the future. Kind of living in favor of the future and trying to make sure that we can sustain a planet that's going to be a fun place to live and not a place that's stressed, overstressed.
Great job. You guys did a great job here. We really enjoyed the trails and the stuff on them. It's a real great job.
Well, the kind of project we're doing here is for people like you, so we hope you enjoy it.
We do enjoy it. It is great.